Drop thousands of feet below the ocean's surface, and you enter a world defined by hostility. The water is near freezing, the crushing pressure is over 100 times stronger than at sea level, and sunlight simply does not exist. You might expect the apex predator of this terrifying realm to be a gill-breathing deep-sea monster. Instead, the most formidable hunter in the abyss is a mammal, one that breathes the exact same air we do. The sperm whale is an absolute titan. A fully grown adult can weigh up to 50 tons and stretch 20 meters long. Nearly a third of that entire length is dedicated to its massive block-shaped head. Yet every day, this air-breathing giant leaves the sunlit safety of the surface to plunge into the pitch-black abyss, holding its breath for over an hour to hunt. To survive in these two completely incompatible worlds, the sperm whale relies on some of the most extreme biological engineering on the planet. As the whale descends past the 1,000-meter mark, the last remnants of sunlight vanish. The weight of the ocean above multiplies, pressing in from all sides with incredible force. To survive the dive, the whale uses specialized muscle tissues, specifically designed to hoard oxygen. It packs its air supply directly into its body before the descent even begins. To make that oxygen last, the whale's heart rate slows to a crawl, fiercely conserving its energy as it glides deeper into the dark. Most remarkably, the whale's lungs safely collapse. To prevent a fatal rupture under the immense weight of the deep water, the ribcage is flexible enough to let the lungs flatten entirely. These adaptations effectively transform a sunlit surface dweller into a pressurized submarine capable of extreme endurance. Down in the hunting grounds, the ocean is a sensory void. Eyes are useless in the total darkness, meaning the whale must rely entirely on sound to find its way. Somewhere in this blackness hides the giant squid. These elusive creatures can grow longer than a city bus, spending their lives hidden from human eyes in the deep ocean. To find them, the whale uses echolocation. It blasts the loudest clicks produced by any animal on Earth into the void, listening for the sound waves to bounce off prey and create a detailed acoustic map of the dark. When the target is found, massive jaws meet thick, gripping tentacles. Adult sperm whales are often covered in circular scars, the permanent evidence of desperate battles with giant squid in the darkness. Mastering this violent, sensory-driven hunt is the only way for the whale to secure the hundreds of kilograms of calories it requires daily for survival. With the hunt complete, the whale ascends. It breaks the surface, exhales a plume of mist, and leaves the violent abyss for a world of complex social warmth. Sperm whales live in a matrilineal society. Females form close-knit family units, traveling together and collectively caring for the young of the pod. They communicate through unique patterns of clicks, known as codas. These function as regional dialects, passed down through generations, a clear indicator of distinct animal culture. But after millions of years mastering the extreme conditions of the deep, a rapidly changing surface world is now their greatest threat. Entanglement in commercial fishing gear and the spread of plastic waste now reach even the most remote parts of the ocean, turning their habitats into a minefield of debris. And then there is noise pollution. The constant industrial roar of global shipping disrupts the highly sensitive sonar the whales need to hunt and speak to one another. Securing the future of the sperm whale means protecting more than just an apex predator. It means preserving an ancient, cultured intelligence that bridges the sunlit surface and the midnight abyss.